Hello, I wanted to give a quick tutorial how to use Keepa.com. It's a great software. I use it every day for my Amazon business, and it's really crucial to use, especially if you're selling products that already exist on the market. If you're not doing private label products of your own brand and you are selling currently existing products. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to sell a certain cable, like a computer cable from a certain company. So for instance, I'm going to choose the brand Ativa. So you want to go to Keepa.com, you'll have this page. You want to go to data up here, and then at the top, product finder. So normally this page has a ton of different rows. I used a program called uBlock Origin. It's a plugin on Chrome, and you can use this element picker tool, and you can just use it to pick out things you don't want to see, or stuff you don't want to see on this page. So this page is actually a huge form, and I didn't need all of it. I mainly just use the finder for the product brand and to search the title. So how Keepa search works is it will search the exact term within the title. So you have to be really specific. It can't be approximate. It can't be, if it's blue and the product you're looking for is navy, using the word blue is you're not going to find the product. You have to use the exact term that is located within the title. And it can be anywhere in the title, but you just have to use the exact word within the title. And it can't be like if it's blues, you have to type the word blues in this field. You can't type blue and then blues will show up. So it's case sensitive, not uppercase or lowercase, but case sensitive. Like you have to really put the exact search term. Okay, and then there's the brand, and this is important. And what I've noticed on Amazon is a lot of companies have parent brand names, and then they have sub companies or they have private labels within their company. So for instance, I brought up the brand Ativa. Ativa is a brand within Office Depot. So Office Depot is a brand, a parent brand, and then within Office Depot's product line, they have Ativa. So let's say I wanted to search a cable that is within the Ativa line. I don't know all of Amazon's listings, and so someone could have created a web page using the Office Depot brand, So if I were to search, let's say I wanted to find an HDMI cable. So I'll type so I want to see all the listings with HDMI in the title, and then with the brand Ativa. You could select all here. There's only 2 brands. You don't want to select all for like if you have a list of 50 brands. I might want to see Office Depot, and I know Office Depot products. So Office Depot, the company merged with Office Max, and so they combined their product lines. So I might want to type Office Max here. And then after you type in the title and the brand, you have your brands you want to search through. Just click out anywhere. You just click on the side here, and then this will update. This box down at the bottom right will tell you how many matches are within Amazon's catalog under these brands with this term in the title. So let's go ahead and see. There's 10 products. Let's see what they are. Okay, so we have a couple products here. If I had an Ativa branded product, I could search through this list. I like to look at the image and just compare it with what product I have. I'm physically holding in my hand and see, hey, does this look like a product that I have? Do these products match what I currently have in my possession? Just looking at this, you can see the sales rank on the right side, and it looks like the sales rank is not showing for these products, but usually the search results are sorted by sales rank, so the best seller will be at the top, the worst sellers will be at the bottom. And just looking at these titles, usually the titles with the most information are going to be better. I mean, ultimately the sales rank will tell you which ones are performing well at any given time on Amazon. Sales rank is a measure of the sales velocity of a product, or how quickly the product is selling. So if a product is not selling, it's not going to have a very good sales rank. It's going to be all the way at the bottom of this list. So products at the top theoretically are performing well. But I can already tell you wouldn't want to put your items under a product listing like this where it says HDMI cable. That is way too broad, and I don't think people are going to be able to find a listing if they're doing a search on Amazon.com. This is not a good title to list under. One of the drawbacks of products like these, I can see this HDMI cable. This one might be okay, but some of these are not good because if you were a customer, you have to think if you're a customer, you couldn't really tell, like for instance, how long is this cable? Is this cable HDMI cable to another type of output device or output adapter or connection? You don't know. And so I try to list products with the best description possible or the best pictures possible, because if I was a customer, I want to know what I'm getting. So if you put products under poor quality listings, there's a higher chance of a return because the customer is going to get something they don't expect. So I hope this was helpful on just how to do a general search on Keepa. When you search using Keepa's product finder, the main thing to remember is you keep it simple. And if you want to go back, just press advanced filter to go back. Do not type something like Cativa Black HDMI cable. See, now I had 10 products, so let's see. If I type that in, I'm going to get 0 hits. This is too much information. If you want to do searches on Keepa, you have to keep it simple. Simple but specific. So if I wanted to see what products there are, let's say cable. Okay, that's 79 products, right? And then you want to go deeper. Let's say I want to see all black cables. So you type black. Okay, we narrowed it down, 17 products. And then let's say I want a 6-foot black cable. You just type 6. Okay, we got 6 products. So you see how we narrowed it down from 76 products all the way down to 6? That's how I use it, is you want to put the brand that you're searching in, and then you start simple, and then you can get slowly more specific with the title.